Hey guys, Josie here from Chicago. Just want to show you a little trick of the trade in case you guys did not know. There is another Chrome app called Price Link. And what this does is that when you are on different sites, whether you're on Amazon or eBay or Walmart or Sears, Kmart, Toys R Us, no matter where you're at, this system, if there is a cheaper price out on the internet, this software goes out there and it will try to find a cheaper price for you. And it is absolutely free. So I love giving you guys free systems that you can try out for yourself. And if it works, great. There's nothing to pay, so you have nothing to lose. So let's say I am on Amazon, as you can see here, and I am in the home and kitchen, and this Madison Park 6-piece cover set. I want to purchase it either for myself or I want to go ahead and list it on eBay or somewhere else. So I'm going to click on it just like I did right now. Now, Price Link, what they're going to do, I'm going to wait for Amazon to load. And once Amazon is loaded, you see this, how it comes up. Price Blink is coming up. It says this item costs $93.98 with free shipping at 13 other locations. So even though here on Amazon, they're selling this for 95.99 with free shipping, Price Blink went out and they found it for 93.98. Now I know the difference is not very much. It's about $1, $2 difference. But there are some times where Price Blink goes out there for you. Again, it's running in the background and you can have $10, $15 differences by using Price Blink. And if you want to see the different prices, you just click on this little arrow, bring it down, and it tells you the available sellers. It tells you the price plus the shipping. So I can get at Overstock, Bed Bath and Beyond, Hay Needle, Walmart, and then you could click for more results, and all the results come up right here, as you can see. So of course, we're not going to get it for 120 or 108 because those prices are way more than Amazon's price. But let's say it was $75 at Overstock or $80 on Overstock. You would be saving $15, and that's $15 more in your pocket. So you can still sell it. So let's say this is $95.99. If you want to put it on eBay for sale, you know, eBay's got the 10% that they charge for their fees and everything else with them and PayPal. So you will go $95.99 and then you will add another 10%, which is about $10. So that'll be about 105. So at least you know it's giving you an idea if they were to go to the stores what this would cost. It would cost all the way up to about $150. Well, that's on Bonanza. So let's say they went to Kohl's. You can put this for $124.99 on eBay and then even come back here to Amazon and get it for $95.99. So Price Blink does two things for you. It goes out there in the background and it will source from different stores for you if they find it cheaper. If they can't find it cheaper, you just won't see anything pop up here. It just be blank because they can't find anything cheaper for you. But if they do find something cheaper, it will come up here on this bar, this orange bar, tell you where the cheaper price is at. And then even if you click on that link, the great part about this, it takes you to the link. It says, congratulations, you're on your way to a better deal. It takes you to the actual link. There it is. You don't even have to guess. There are the prices there as well. So that's another great thing. And then look at here. It says this item costs $79 with free shipping somewhere else. So then we'll go ahead and click on here and see what stores are they talking about. And there it is again, $79. If it went from 114 to 124, all the way down to $79 on Overstock. So let's just click on there real fast. We'll click on Overstock, see what that leads us to. Now, of course, it all depends on the size. Maybe this is a twin they're showing us instead of a king or a queen, but it gives you different ideas. So here it's on sale for $89, and that is for the full queen. And the Amazon one we're looking at, this is for a king size. So that's why this one might be a little more expensive. It's $95. Let's just see what the king might go for. If they have it. Okay, a king is $93, so it's about the same. So that's why there's a little difference there because of the size. But there are times when you can come on here, use Price Blink just like that, and it takes you right to the link. So That's one great tool that you can use. So in order for you to get Price Blink, I am using my Chromebook, so this might be a little different, but you will find it in your extensions. So if you go to the extensions in your store, you'll be able to find it. By doing that, you hit these little three buttons up here in the corner, go to more tools. When that opens up, you just go to extensions, and then you will search for whatever you're searching for. These are all the different things that I've been using throughout the years that are still on my computer. But here's Price Blink right here. So it's Price Blink, like if you're blinking your eyes. There it is right there. So you want to see this little symbol, looks like a flashlight. Just click on there, add it to your Chrome extension. It's going to work in the background, and it's a great tool. I love it. It's a great way for you to find items a little cheaper. And even if you, let's say you have stuff already listed on eBay or Amazon or Bonanza, wherever you might be listing right now, and you're going to go out to get the item because you're drop shipping, go ahead and put Price Blink on there, because let's say you are selling this for $124 on eBay, and you got to come to Amazon and you can find it cheaper. It's on sale for $90 or so, or you can save another $5 that goes in your pocket. So Price Blink, like you're blinking your eyes. It is another Chrome extension, just like the Easync is. Go ahead and add it to your computer. I think you'll get a lot of benefit out of this. I hope this helped you guys out. If it did, give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you are not using Easync right now to list, that's the tool I'm using right now to list. I've tried a whole bunch of different ones. They've all been great. I don't have anything negative to say about any of them. This is just one that I'm using for eBay that is working for me and helping me list and generating me some income. So that link for Easync to join will be underneath this video, as well as the direct link to get the Easync Chrome extension to get started. Absolutely free to get started with Easync. You don't pay a monthly fee. You only pay for the listings that you have up, and for them to charge 10 cents or so per listing you put up. It's really cheap. So you can try it out for free. See if it works for you. Try it for 1, 2, 3 months. Give it a month or two to get started and see what it does for you. And I hope it generates a lot of sales for you guys. This is Josie. I will see you guys on the next video. I will try to find the direct link for Price Blink. If I find that for you guys to add that Chrome extension, I'll put that underneath this video, as well as my number one recommendation for work at home, which is a program I'm using that people just put in their email address. And then when they put the email address, depending on what country they're from, I get paid up to $4 per email lead. And then that goes into my Get response. So on top of that, I'm building my own email list for people who want work at home things. And then I show them the eBay way and to sell them Bonanza and other places as well. So that's going to be also on the bottom of this video. So that's it for now, guys. I'll try to find you some more goodies to show you guys on how you can continue to grow your eBay business. And the more free stuff I can show you, the better for you and the better for me. So until the next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.